Hey everybody, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Today we're going to do a little walk around on this JOOSE Orange 2025 Jeep Gladiator. This was traded in from a good customer of ours, and he basically spec'd this thing out to be off-road ready. It's got a ton of, aftermarket upgrades, between lift, tires, wheels, some suspension components. We'll start up here in the front. Got this very aggressive DV8 off-road steel bumper. I mean, heck, you still even get your LED fog lights included. Got a VR12S Evo worn winch. Got a worn fair lead as well. Doesn't perfectly match, but you even got the, orange, kind of similar to the Mojave orange hook. There's your LED headlights. Got your satin gray metallic grille inserts. Got the gray metallic AEV Borah wheels, which are Beadlocks. 37-inch Nitto Tires tires. If it'll focus in, has a AEV 2-inch lift. We also got the JKS Disconnects. Work our way around, kind of discuss some more items that have been upgraded. We also got the Krawler front and rear upper and lower control arm kit. And then we also got the Eaton front E-locker. Got rock hard 4x4 rock rails / side steps. Go ahead and open this driver's door and let you have a look at the interior. I mean, 5,500 miles on this vehicle currently. Got the gray leather with the Mojave stitching just below the headrest. Got your 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Got your button layout. Looks like we got the heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start. Got the Mopar slush mats. This one also features the 3.6 liter V6, 8-speed automatic transmission. I mean, a very clean spec'd out Gladiator, if you ask me. Got the LED taillights, receiver hitch. Got a bed liner included as well. Tonneau cover. Step back a little bit, get you a better view. This also has been re-geared as well. So we got the Yukon 513 gears. That pairs up very well with the 37-inch tires. And I'm not 100% sure, I'll kind of get down a little bit. I noticed we have a Dana 44 diff cover. So maybe the axles have been upgraded, or maybe that was part of the E-locker. I mean, I know we re-geared it, but maybe there was something else I'm just not aware of that was performed. But I mean, fully spec'd out, off-road ready, JOOSE Orange Gladiator. I mean, it looks very good. Wish we had a little more sun. Get a glimpse of that JOOSE Orange in the sunlight. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this little walk around. Be sure to check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. We got a ton of new and used inventory in currently. If you see anything you like other than this, vehicle in front of us, please don't hesitate to give us a call. It's going to be 502-537-1738. And please like this video, subscribe to our channel. Heck, even leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching.